Hey you guys, what's up? Making this quick little video here to explain why I haven't put out any videos in a while. The bike you see me riding right here is my '05 DRZ Supermoto, or should I say was. I had to sell the bike shortly after I got it, actually. About a week after I got it, my employer announced a massive layoff, and I, wanting to provide financial security for my family, decided to sell it and be a wiser idea to have my money in my bank account rather than invest it in a bike. So wasn't able to make videos, and then along with the announcement of the layoff and just not really finding any fulfillment in my work, I decided to change careers, and I will be joining the U.S. Armed Services in about 5 weeks. That's when I ship out. So really sorry I haven't been able to make videos or even keep you guys informed on what's going on. But you guys are amazing, and the fact that y'all stuck around this long is really cool. So appreciate that. As soon as I get settled in my new job and out of school, I will be buying another motorcycle and continuing to make videos. But that's going to be 6 or 7 months from now. Probably expect it next spring, basically. So anyway, thanks for you guys' support. You guys are awesome.